Hello everybody. Today I'm working on the 2023 Yamaha Tenere 700. What I want to do is get rid of this. Man, I can't hardly take these turn signals. You can see how it's got an oval mount here and the side cover is embossed. Well, you can't just take these off and stick anything on there. It's not going to look right. So I found these from Nice CNC. This is the one that goes inside the cover to give it some strength and rigidity, and this is the finish on the outside. And these are made by Nice CNC. Then these are the turn signals I'm going to put on. Got these from AliExpress. Actually got these from AliExpress also. So that'll clean up the front of it, make it look a little nicer. Okay, I've got these 3 screws out here. There's one here, one down here. And up inside this inner cover, there is one here, and one down there. Those are push pins. And they're kind of interesting. I've never seen them like this before. They got a hex on them. And what you do is just turn it a quarter of a turn and it pops up. Then you can just pull the whole push pin out. That's pretty cool, isn't it? When you put it back in, you just line up those two little pieces right there. You just line them up with the hole and push it back down like that. And you can twist it open. Hard to do it with your finger. Twist it open with a little wrench till it pops out that far. Pop it right out. Alright, I got the cover off, got the original turn signal out, and I just put these inserts in. They fit really nice. They're actually snapped in. What a perfect fit. I'm impressed. And that's what it looks like on the outside. And then let's see what she's going to look like. Oh yeah. Well, it looks much better, doesn't it? Alright, I'm going to take that turn signal in the house. I'm going to cut this connector off right here, off the original turn signal. And I'm going to solder it onto here. Make it the same length as the original one, so all the wiring will plug in real nice. Okay, I got my turn signals in here. What I did was I just laid them side by side here and cut these off so they'll all be the same length as it was originally, so when I go to put it back together I won't have any problems with the length of my wires. So I cut that much off of that. Now you'll notice on this Yamaha plug that I cut off of the turn signal, there's 3 wires on here. And on my turn signal I'm going to be putting back on, I only have 2 wires. Well, I did a voltage check while I was outside. These turn signals have a running light built into them. So when you turn your key on, that's lit all the time. And when you turn your signal on, there's another filament on there that blinks. So I determined that the blue wire is the running light wire. So I'm just gonna snip that off down here at the bottom when I get done. Now, this is off of the right side of the motorcycle. You got a green wire and a black wire. And I'm simply going to solder the green wire to this yellow wire, and I'm going to solder the black wire to the black wire. Now on the other side, the colors are black and brown. So you would go black to black and yellow to brown. On this side it's green and black, the other side it's brown and black. So I'm going to get my soldering iron warmed up here and get the wires prepped, and we're going to solder this thing. Okay, let's put a little solder on this tip here. Wasn't real happy with the way this turned out. I'm going to redo it. That's perfect, huh? That's more like it. Okay. Remember, don't forget to put your shrink tubing on first. Otherwise, you'll have to start over again. Alright. I'm going to do this two black wires together. And then I'm going to fix this blue wire. There we go. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And when we get this other wire on, we can stick it on the side cover. This job will be almost done. Okay, got this last one prepped. A little drop of flux on there. Clean the tip off a little bit. There's some solder right here. There we go. Oh, that's going to last forever. Won't have any problem with that. Okay, all we got to do now is pull up our heat shrink. Like so. There we go, there's that one. Alright, there you'll have it, ready to go. Okay, remember what it looked like before. There's the finished product. And if you're wondering why I got the whole headlight and dash assembly out, it's because the power point was right here and I wanted it over there, so I moved it over there, and I've got a USB charger for my phone that's going to go in here. So I run my phone on the left side, and I don't have to run all these big long wires everywhere. I have an 18-inch wire that'll come out of there, and it won't be dangling around all over the place. Well, that's another job for tomorrow. All right, everybody have a nice day. Bye-bye.